Intensive Practice 5.1, Question 7. Yu Ming received offers to work in two companies with the following income. Company A is offering a monthly income of 3,500 and the increment is 20 ringgit per month. Company B is offering an annual income of 46,000 and the increment is 1,000 ringgit per year. Yu Ming plans to work for 3 years. Which company is more suitable for her in order to receive maximum income in 3 years? Okay, let's start with company A. So her monthly income is 3,500, increment 20 ringgit every month. So here our A is 3,500. Our increment is 20 ringgit. So she wants to work for 3 years, right? So here we are dealing with monthly income. So 3 years is 36 months. So we need to find S36. So the formula for Sn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So 36 over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Thirty-six over 2 times 3,500 plus 35 times 20. She gets 138 ringgit, 138,600 ringgit after 3 years. Okay, let's look at company B. Company B, she gets an annual income of 46,000, and increment is 1,000 ringgit per year. So D is 1,000, but this is in years. Annual income is in years. So here after 3 years we need to find S3 instead of months. Here we took S36 because this monthly income. This will be 3 years, so S3 lah. So same formula, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. N is 3, a is 46,000, 3 minus 1, d is 1,000. Okay, so 3 over 2 times 2 times 46,000 plus 2 times 1,000, 141,000. So looks like company B, in these 3 years, company B is offering more salary. So they want us to show our calculation and calculate the difference between the total incomes. So we can say, okay, we find difference first. So difference will be 141,000 minus 138,600. $2,400. So we can say company B, and then the difference is RM 2,400. Done. That's it.